Hello folks, this is Mr. Gray, Charm City Restroom Trailers. Wanted to highlight some of the things we do when we set up a restroom trailer. This is a clip of a wedding we did June of 2026. We are dropping off the trailer, we're going to set it up, doing a few things out of the mechanical run. We've already chopped the tires. We're bringing out the signs so everyone will know where the restroom trailer is. Aesthetics is a big thing for us, so we cover the tire a lot of times so that it doesn't look like a trailer. Next, we're going to unhook the trailer from the truck. To make sure that trailer is leveled and lined up correctly. We are unhooking the safety cables, the electrical cables. This trailer has brakes. I'm driving on the highway. That block there, if not centered, you need some oil. If that block is not centered, that trailer could actually fall. So that's something that's important. Everything is disconnected. Locking the hitch up so no one can take the trailer. That's important. That's actually a cable we're going to use for our generator. This client elected to have a generator instead of using house power, and also to fill the onboard tank. So we're getting the generator off. We're going to get that situated. That cable is used to secure the generator, so no one takes that as well. We want to make sure the generator is level. That does affect operation, and to make sure you have proper gas. As you can see, we are securing that with the hitch lock. Applying the power. This is a special adapter we're using so that we can use a regular extension cord going from the trailer to the generator. Start the generator now. Making sure it's level. We're going to let the generator warm up. Putting out the sign. Next, we are leveling the trailer. There's a waste tank under the bottom, and there's a solution so that the waste smell stays down. Now we're starting a second generator. We're going to use this generator to get the water into the trailer. Plugging up our hose to the transfer pump. We have water in the white container. That's how we transport water. And we're going to insert the hose into the onboard tank. Adjusting the generator. Plug the trailer in. Tucked on the sep pump, transfer pump, rather. And that tank holds about 100 gallons. Next, we're getting blocks out to stabilize the trailer. The actual weight stays on the tires, the axles, but this portion actually stabilizes the trailer. You generally have one of these jacks on each corner. Jacks are attached to the frame, and we just snug these jacks. They're not designed to lift the trailer. We do the leveling with the front jack. It's just stabilizing. Setting up the stairs, the handrails. This is our 3-unit wedding trailer. Special events. This has a full bathroom in it. Full bathroom. Checking on the water. That's the breaker to turn the Restroom trailer power on. Final touches. Making sure the rug is in place. Making sure the paper towel rack works and is functioning. As you see, this is a men's unit with the urinal. Has a flushing toilet. Nice artwork, has lighting, a full mirror, full vanity, adjusting the trash can there. It has soap. This is one of the women's. Always make sure your restroom trailer looks nice before you leave. Always look to detail. Now this is our luxury ADA trailer. This is the inside of the men's. So we have the flushing toilet, the urinal, running water, hand towel, soap. As you can see, the mirror, toilet paper. This is inside of the women's. This too has art, paper towel rack, full mirror, soap, flushing toilet, running water. It's an air conditioning, nice lighting. This one actually has heat. Not all units have heat, but our luxury trailers actually have heat. This is the ADA compliant unit. You see the paper towels, it's nice and big. Nice art. This has the guardrails. ADA compliant sink. ADA compliant toilet. Flushes as well.